Come on.
I just want to show y'all what a snowstorm looks like. Come on, Achilles. Y'all from Texas like me, we don't got this shit. Whoa! Achilles, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, dude. He's like, nope. Fuck that.
Not going?
He said nope.
Good girl.
This is a snowstorm. It's chilled out a little bit, but this is what's happening. Sorry, stream. Whoa. It's Briseis. Oh, she peed. That's good. She's like, nope, I'm good. I'm good. She ain't feeling it either. It's crazy. Whoa. My car's covered. The streets, no plows, no nothing. Shit's fucking cold. Oh, it's so cold! But the Newport. Oh! Ah! Shout out to the Newport post office that still delivered our shit. Which is cool, because I got some meat. Wait for it. Monsters. Who's that? What? So that's cool. Shout out to the post office for still delivering shit. That's the only thing good that came out of today. It's fucking cold. Peace.